Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the date function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function is pretty simple and only contains 3 arguments, and its goal is to return a date based on the arguments that we are going to present it. So in our case, the arguments are simply year, month, and day. So we need to enter 1 year, the month with which we want to work with, and the day, which in our case will be 25. So 25 for year, 3 month, and the 2015 year. So it's going to be the 25th March 2015. Now, if I want to have this, if I want to have this date, how exactly am I going to proceed? So pretty simple. I will use the date function. So I'll just write down date, and I can open up my parentheses right here. And I'll start with my year, so 2015. Now I want to enter my month, so it's gonna be month number 3. And finally, the day, which will be 25. And then I can close my parentheses. And just like that, I'm able to have my date, which is March 25, 2015. And if, for example, I change here from 3 to 4, I will automatically have it updated right there. So there is 2 date formats that exist. We have the long date format and we have the short date format. So this will be the short date format and this will be the long date format. So it can be found here in the number format tab right there. So this is how you use the date function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.